Hi, my name is Tracy. I'm from Brooklyn. I'm the breadwinner in my household. I have a part-time job. My goal is to pay off a $13,000 student loan in 2 years. But like I said before, I'm the breadwinner in my household and my mom is retired. She's not working anymore, so I just called to get advice on how to pay off a $13,000 student loan on a part-time salary in 2 years. Thank you. Bye.
Goodness gracious. All right. This is going to be interesting, Miss Tracy. It sounds like you're the breadwinner in your home. Sounds like you may be single with your mom living with you. You work part-time and you're trying to get rid of $13,000 in student loan debt. All right. Let me say this up front. All right. I always like to start off with something encouraging. You're doing an incredible job. It sounds like holding it down for your family. You got your mom living with you, and I know that she's loving it. Being the breadwinner with a part-time job and still focus on crushing your debt, man, that says a lot about you, your mindset, and your heart. But this is going to be difficult. I want to be honest, because if we don't have full-time income coming in, you have another major responsibility inside of your house, and we're trying to get $13,000 of student loans paid off. Yeah, this is going to be a little challenging. But listen, we're going to make this thing happen. And I want to give you a roadmap on how you could do this. Now, let's first address this. The math. To pay off $13,000 in 24 months, you'll need to pay about $542 a month just to make sure that you get the $13,000. Now that's $13,000 in the next 24 months, but I'm not even assessing and adding in the interest. Just to get the principal, we're at $542 a month. This will feel a little heavy. Let's be real, but I need you to stick with me, because this ain't about where you are. It's about where we're going and what's our goal within the next 12 to 24 months. Did you know that according to the education data, the average time to pay off student loans is about 20 years. I wrote this and quoted this inside of my book, Debt Free Degree. And you're trying to do this within two years with a part-time situation. So here's the plan. I need you to get on the crystal clear plan with a zero-based budget. Zero-based budget. Every dollar has a job. There's no extra money when you're at war with debt. All right, there is none. What's going on, fam? Hey, listen, if you're serious about getting out of debt, building real wealth, and creating a life of freedom, this is your home. I want to personally invite you to subscribe to the channel right now, because every single week we're dropping videos that will help you take control of your money. It will help you shift your money mindset and break money generational cycles. You see, this channel isn't just content. It's honestly a movement. Over 1 million people have joined this community over the last 4 years. I'm still blown away by that, to be honest. And our mission is bold. It is to eliminate $1 billion in debt and build $500 million in assets by the year of 2050. We talk real money, real freedom, and real legacy here at the table. No fluff, no credit card hacks, just the truth that will set you and your family up for a better financial future. Do yourself a favor and join this family, join this movement by hitting that subscribe button. Turn on your notifications and join this journey, because this is where financial freedom begins. Let's get back to the show. Hit that subscribe button. I don't have extra money to do this. Like right now, you got to sit down with your house, everyone inside your house. If you have kids, your mother, and say, hey, listen, y'all, while I'm taking care of this home, I desire financial freedom. So we're not going to be able to maneuver around and do different things, all right? We got to be, for the next 12 to 24 months, every dollar is going to have an assignment. We're going to eat. Roof is going to be over our head. We're going to have utilities turned on, but extra money is going towards this. I need you to get on the zero-based budget. I need you to go to anthonyoneal.com and download my wealth tracker tool and write it out. Write in you need to start tracking your money. Like literally, you need to see where every penny, not just every dollar, I mean, every penny is going. But your income needs to be told exactly where to go every single month. Now, let's be honest. I don't know to the T how much money you're making on the part-time income, but I'm pretty sure it's not a whole lot on a part-time basis. So what I need you to do is figure out how can you boost your income with a short-term side hustle, right? What can you do? Maybe can you clean some houses? I don't know. Can you add 1 or 2 extra clients, hours or shifts to your job? Can you babysit? I don't know what that is, because I don't know the specifics and I don't want to offend you. But you need to make an extra $150 a week to hit your goal. That's it. So now that we know the math is we're right around $540, okay, AO, how can I get an extra $150 in this week that goes straight towards paying off the debt? Bottom line. This is not an extra $150 to help you with spending money and eating out. No. This is not an extra $150 to go towards, helping your mother with something. No. This is what can I do to get creative to have an extra $150 coming in that solely goes towards my debt. Because here's the truth. This isn't forever. This is for freedom. This is for freedom.
Here is the truth. I am always looking for practical ways to help you build, wealth, specifically generational wealth and legacy. And one of the best ways you can do that is with life insurance. That's why I partner with my friends at Ethos. They made buying life insurance simple and hassle-free. Whether you're the main provider for your family or want to make sure your loved ones aren't left with financial burdens like debt, life insurance is a powerful way to provide financial security. As a business owner and a homeowner, I took this seriously and secured a $2 million life insurance policy through Ethos. Why? Because having a peace of mind, knowing my family will be cared for when I'm no longer here, is extremely priceless. What I love about Ethos is their quick and straightforward process. You can apply entirely online in as little as 10 minutes. I'm not even exaggerating. I did it myself. Listen, no medical exams, just a few health questions that you must answer honestly. Plus, it's affordable, making it easier to protect your family without breaking the bank. Listen, I want you to lock in your rate today by visiting anthonyoneal.com/life insurance or click the link below to get your personalized free quote today. Listen, as we're getting back to the show, I want you to protect your loved ones. Don't play around with it. Be like me. I promise you. It's a hard conversation to have, but you will sleep peacefully knowing that you took care of your family. Go to anthonyoneal.com/life insurance. Let's get back to the show to help you keep building this wealth.
Now, what I'm about to say next, it's going to probably hurt. You're probably going to say, Anthony, I've already cut. But Tracy, I need you to do some more cutting. I need you to lower or freeze some of your expenses. I need you to lower or freeze some of your expenses without sacrificing your dignity, though. All right. So I need you to, if you have multiple streaming apps, I need you to cut everything but one. If you all have been eating out at McDonald's here and there or ordering in from DoorDash or Uber Eats, I need you to cut that eat at home. Prep for mom, 2. I need you to cancel anything that doesn't serve your goal in the next 12 to 24 months. Anything. Music apps, any apps on your phone that is not, if it doesn't serve your goal within the next 12 to 24 months, it needs to be cut. I need you to treat this season like it's financial boot camp. I need you to treat this season like it depends on you. Everything that I'm doing from this point on is a decision that I need to make sure that I'm good. Here's number 4. The last I'm gonna give you. I need you to set up some motivation around you. Set up something visual that you can look at that will inspire you. All right. I see some of my friends, especially like on Pinterest, and even on some of our E3 community members, man, they'll create a thermometer and they'll say, hey, you know what? Here's my debt. I'm at $13,000 in debt. And anytime they pay it, they'll just highlight it in. And each segment, they'll celebrate. Like I see one of my friends, what they did, or one of our E3 members, what they did, they're in $50,000 worth of debt. And every $5,000 that they paid off towards debt, she treated herself out to a nice steak, to a Ruth Chris, or to a very high-end restaurant. I see nothing wrong with that, right? Because every small achievement is one step closer. Go celebrate it. Go celebrate it. But what she's doing is every day she wakes up, she's reminded why she does that. Here's something personal about me. Man, I printed out some bodies that I like on men. Like, man, I want that kind of chest. I want that kind of six-pack. Man, I want my arms to be that defined. So when I feel like going and cheat and having, you know, a drink or doing this, doing that for this period of my time, I just get reminded every time I wake up, every time I go to the refrigerator, there's those pictures. I see a six-pack. I see the chest that I want. And it reminds me, because it's a visual motivation. Write the vision. Look at the vision. And I promise you, you'll be all right. You put this stuff on the mirror, I promise you every single day when you wake up, it'll be good. Here, I want you to write this down as I end this question. It's for anybody getting out of debt too. Debt is not my destiny. Discipline is my destiny. Put this on the mirror somewhere. Writing on your phone, writing on the mirror. If you're in debt right now, I want you to put, being in debt is not my destiny. Discipline is my destiny. Yo, Tracy, I hope this blessed you tremendously. I'm praying for you. Like I said, like I told the last caller, hey man, go ahead and email me anything more particular, and I can respond to the email with anything that I probably missed, because I don't know if you're married. I don't know if you have kids. And so if you are married, then there's some other advice I can give you. If you do have kids, there's some other things I should be able to add into there for you. But it's my perspective from your question, it was just you and your mother and maybe one child on part-time income. But I would even love to know how much is that part-time income? All right, so I can even give you a little bit more advice there. All right, yo, appreciate you.